Canna, variegated Canna indica, one of the most beautiful cultivars of the Canna indica species. Here are the rhizomes and pups of the Canna plant that you've seen. I bought from a friend's place. They're not properly taken out, but just pulled out the ground. So some are possibly broken, and as the rhizome shows, some of them will definitely come up, if not all, because one of them I find really hopeless, but still I'm trying. And these are the potting mix and other ingredients that I'm going to put into the pot. And you can see the red stuff, that is the brick, that is broken bricks, powdered kind of, which will retain some water as well as increase drainage of the soil, so that water will not be retained in the pot and there won't be any waterlogging problems. I just added the brick powder to the soil that's already mixed up with the essential nutrients required for the plant. It's already a potting mix which I have ready-made for use, and this is perlite, the rock, the volcanic rock that is powdered, and it's very lightweight and it can add a lot of air circulation and drainage to the soil and make the soil lightweight too. It is so lightweight that when you add water, it swims at the top of the water. It's being mixed up together properly, turned over many times, so that the seepage of water is proper. And this is the pot. You can see the holes there. It's a plastic container that has been cut. Originally it was a biscuit container which we have bought, and it being a lot of bigger one, I thought, why can't I do some kind of DIY, that means do it yourself stuff, so that it will be a free to use pot or container for my plants. So I do a lot of things like this, used things which are otherwise to be thrown away or given the wastage, but which can really be reused. That's one of the best things that you can do to save the environment: recycling, reusage, etc. And this is part of that. And you see the roots in some of the stem cuttings. It is actually a part of the stem that has grown parallel to the ground, and from which new plants may come up, and it is just separated and brought here. It's not properly done. It is just pulled out, so that part of that is broken. More than enough is broken away. So it's possible that some of them may not come up, but some will definitely come up too. Anyway, I'll wait for a few days and see if it is okay or not. If all of them goes wrong, I'll try again, because there are a lot of these rhizomes that have grown up in my friend's place from where I have brought it. See, it's filled up in the pot, and I have planted the rhizomes. It's actually a quarter of the pot is filled with the potting mix. Then the rhizomes are placed there, and more of potting mix is added, and it is just pushed and turned over, so that the air holes and other things in the soil will be removed and will help to retain the water. And here I've added some water. See the color of the water, that is of the brick, that has been broken. It can be brought or bought from the store. And here is the result after 7 days. See, you can see some greenery, green top on some of the rhizomes, and one or two of them have not come up properly, and they may not come up. At least 2 will be more than enough. Good effort. Yes, you can see it. So one of them has come up really well, and this is gone. It's a gone case. And see, 2 are really good, and the third one can be good too, but can be seen only after a few days.